Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of reporting a story on Instagram. If you come across a story that violates Instagram's community guidelines or terms of service, it's important to report it. This full guide will show you how. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your device. Look for the familiar icon resembling a camera and tap on it to launch the app. Step 2. Once you're inside Instagram, navigate to the story that you want to report. You can do this by swiping right on the home screen, or by tapping on the profile picture of the account whose story you wish to report. Step 3. Next, tap on the 3 stacked dots icon. This will open a menu of options related to the story. Step 4. From the menu, select the option to Report. Instagram will now present you with different reporting options. Step 5. Now choose the reason why you'd like to report this story. Instagram provides a list of options to select from, such as it's inappropriate or it goes against Instagram's guidelines. Pick the most appropriate reason that aligns with the violation you're reporting. By following these steps, you can effectively report a story on Instagram, helping to maintain a safe and positive community on the platform. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more informative content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. We're here to help. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.